Just a sec, just a sec. Till then, I welcome all of you on your own Unacademy YouTube channel. Just let me know how is life treating you because all of you know that mine is not that great. Yes. Now, hello again. Unacademy welcomes all of you to your own Unacademy YouTube cat channel. What happened yesterday in live session, all of us are aware of it. Great. We had to make that video private because of technical issues I faced on the live session. Hopefully, there won't be any problem today. Yes, the fingers are crossed still. What we will do today is we will be continuing our session on data interpretation. This is eighth lecture on data interpretation. What about previous 7 lectures? So they are named L1, L2, L3 till L7, and they are in my playlist. You can go and check it out. You can go and check the videos out. Okay. This is the 8th lecture on data interpretation. Out of possible 35 sessions, the total number of sessions would be tentatively it is 35. Tentatively regular sessions. Of course, we will have revisions on addition to this. We will have workshop on addition to this, and finally we will have marathon sessions. Finally, we will have marathon sessions. What are marathon sessions we are planning? There will be 35 lectures on DI itself, bro. This is for DI. Great. For reasoning, I have planned. For logical reasoning, there would be at least 20. Let me count it. 24. There would be 28 lectures on logical reasoning. Now, these 35 plus 28. 35 plus 28 is how much? 35 plus 28 is nothing but 63. In 63 lectures, I'll be completing every single topic of logical reasoning and data interpretation, which is asked in the actual examination. Free content, 63 hours of free content, more than 63 hours to be precise. Okay? You won't be left with any single topic. And after that, once we are done with these topics, regular topics, comprehensive topics, what are the topics? To मैंने first lecture, intro lecture में, first slide में I have given you the topics that we will be covering. Okay. After this, I have planned workshops, revisions, and obviously the marathon sessions will go hand in hand till CAT preparation. Okay. What are marathon sessions? We'll cover daily 2 sets. Daily 2 sets, very high level sets. Actual probable questions which are likely to appear in actual examination. Okay. So without taking much of your time, let's begin with the second session on pie chart. Already we have covered the basics. This is the second lecture on pie chart. So let's begin today. I'm your own Ashish Kumar. That's my credentials. I'm ex-time faculty. I have 8 years of experience, and definitely I'm one-stop solution for logical reasoning and data interpretation. Okay, I do connect personally as well. All of you know that I'm connected personally. You know my intentions. My intentions are very clear. It is you who should be benefited. I'll do anything for that. That's my specialty. I gave, not go. I gave. On the 99.9 plus percentile every year, I'm looking for someone who can do this for me this year as well. I would suggest you guys to share this hashtag on your social platform so that we can have more number of friends, we can have more number of competitors, and we can analyze ourselves really well. Okay? The more you will be with your like-minded people, the better it is for you. Okay? Akele preparation mein you won't know how deep you are. How deep is the sea? You will never come to know. So please share this. Let's quickly move ahead. Yes, all of you are part of this channel. Those who are not joined this, what are the benefits? You'll get notes on daily basis. You'll get links of sessions on daily basis. What else you'll get? You'll get what else you get? You get friends. We have a community of 600 members now. You can interact with the educators. You can find me over there. You can find your quant faculty over there. You can interact with the educators. So you have numerous benefits. फोन में वैसे भी बहुत सारे ऐप्स है, बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं जो हमने बेकार में ज्वाइन कर रखे हैं. दिस इज द चैनल व्हिच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू, ठीक है, टू enhance your career. Let's move ahead. This is a must, I must say. So let's begin with today's session. This is the second session on pie chart. And one more thing I would like to add is कि पारुल ने कल ग्रुप पे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, पारुल खंडेलवाल. Now very few of you replied. ठीक है, actually the question was very good. The question was very good at this level. Most of you didn't reply to the question. What I would suggest, those who haven't attempted that question, Parul Khandelwal ने जो question डाला था, please check your Telegram channel and please solve that question. You need to start do this on daily basis. That was a good question, small and good question. And I have some surprise for you today. We have something for you today in the session itself. So I'll disclose what's that in 5 to 10 minutes. Not to worry. Okay? But yes, your presence is necessary for that. Having said that, what we will do is we will start. And the questions that we have picked today are somewhat challenging. Okay? They're not as simple as they seem. They're not simple questions like we used to do till late. Okay? Pie chart itself is a very complicated topic, and if not approached properly, you might face difficulties in that. A lot of difficulties to be exact. So, and whenever you solve a question of pie chart, please, there is some logical deduction also available in the question. So try to think the question logically. It's not that simple. I already mentioned. So on this note, let's start. Here comes the first question. You might have seen this question yesterday. I did discuss one or two questions only. So I'll be discussing the entire question again. So that's my first question. Read the data. Read the data. The following pie chart gives us the percentage breakup of all the 6 products of a company and the region-wise breakup of its sales. Okay? So what is this data? We have the percentage-wise breakup of the sales. This is also breakup of sales, the first one. The second one is also breakup of sales. But the first one is based on the product. I mean, out of total number of products sold, how many of them were from A, how many of the product was B, how many of the product was C. So it is based on the total sales by product. Breakup is, this is the bifurcation, taking product into consideration. And the second one is, of all the total sales, what part of it is sold in central region and what part of it is sold in northern region, and you have the data. So that's the question. Read it again. I'll give you 5 to 10 seconds. I'll change the slide and I'll give you only a minute to solve the question. Not more than that. I'll be calculating the time. I'll keep an eye on the time today. From next session, I'll add timer as well. So, read it. It's the same product. It's the same number of items sold, which is bifurcated, one from the angle of product and another from the angle of region. It is the same product, same number of items. That's the first question. At least how many products were sold in more than one region? At least how many products were sold in more than one region? I mean, what's the understanding of this question? Assume this first. It would be much easier for you. Let us say that total number of products sold were 100. The same 100. Total sales is equal to 100, and the same. These two are the same quantities, total sales. This is also 100. Okay? Now, out of these 100 products sold, company के पास कितने products है total? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Company has 7 products. So, अगर company ने 100 units sell किया है ना, out of that 124 would be 16 would be B. Let me check this. Okay, 16 would be B, this 14 would be C, 12 would be D, 10 would be E, 15 would be F, and 9 would be G. ठीक है. Similarly, अगर रीजन वाइज बात करें तो अगर इंडिया में कंपनी ने 100 प्रोडक्ट सेल किए हैं तो सेंट्रल रीजन में कितने सेल किए हैं? 13, नॉर्थ रीजन में 26, साउथ में 23, here 20, and here 18. That this is what can be assumed from the question. I'll have to keep an eye on the watch as well, as I said already. Now, we did attempt this question yesterday, so I won't give you enough time. I'll start discussing it straight away. The question says that at least how many products were sold in more than one region? How many products do we have in all? In all, we have 7 products. In all, we have how many products? 7 products. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In all, we have 7 products. Now, you want these products to be sold in single region. You want these products to be sold in single region. मतलब क्या? जैसे A है ना, A किसी एक ही रीजन में सेल होता हो. Let it be west, let it be central. इसको 2 रीजन में सेल नहीं करना है. Similarly for B, similarly for DC. Now we have to maximize this. क्या? I want these products to be sold in single region. I want least number of products to be sold in more than one region. The opposite sense is this. So we will try this. What we'll do? We'll try to assign regions to these products. A single region. I want to minimize my answer. My answer still is right now is 7. Right now my answer is 7. I want to reduce my answer as much as possible. So for that, we'll have to concentrate on this. Now there is some logical deduction as I mentioned already. अगर आप थोड़ा closely देखोगे तो in north में you have 26 products, correct? So this north can take care of yes, this B and D. North can be taken care of. North can take care of B and D. 16 and 10. हाँ हो सकता है yes. B and E. B and E. So we can say that B is sold in north. B is sold in north only. E is sold in north only. We can say that B is gone. E is gone. Correct. अब इसके बाद 23 है. 23 could be 14 and 9. So we can say that this south can take care of C and G. 14 plus 9. So I can say that C is sold entirely in south. G is sold entirely in south. Taken care of C and G. So out of 7, 4 मैंने निकाल दिए. So now I have only 3 products left. Can I minimize them as well? क्या क्या बच गया मेरे पास? A, D and F बच गया. A 24, D क्या है? D is 12, F is 15, A is 24, D is how much? 12, E is how much? 15. Area क्या बच गया मेरे पास? Okay, so this 24 obviously cannot be taken care of because the maximum that I am left with is 20, 18 and 13. So this 24 can be taken care of. Sir 24 को 26 में क्यों नहीं put कर दिया सर? तो उसका भी ख्याल रख सकते थे ना. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज अगर आपने 24 को 26 में पुट कर दिया तो यस दैट ए कैन बी टेकन केयर ऑफ, बट नाउ यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ बी एंड डी. सो इट्स बेटर कि जितना बड़ा पोर्शन है वो मैक्सिमम डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स को अकोमोडेट कर ले. थिंक लॉजिकली. ठीक है. इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इट यू कैन मतलब go 10, 15 or 20, 1 minute back and you can again listen it. You'll understand it automatically. So this one, which one? F, D, A. A cannot be taken care of. Obviously, it has to go in more than one region. But this D and F, they can be taken care by yes, this west and east in any order. They can be taken care by west and east in any order. West, east, east, west. Solely they can be taken care of. So we cannot do anything for A. It is suggested कि if you wish to put A in E, अगर if you want कि आप ये A को north में put करके देखो, A 24 को 26 में, you should go with that. You should try. Now my answer right now is 1. What I feel is 1. ठीक है, this 24 cannot be taken care of. आप A को नॉट में पुट करके देखो, either the answer would be 1 or it would be more than 1. ठीक है, तो you should explore that possibility as well. In fact, you should do that. Let's move to the next question. What is the minimum number of regions in which more than one product was sold? Attempt this. You can have 30 or let me say 1 minute. Do this. And you remember, na, I said ki I have something for you in this session. I'll disclose that. Don't worry. I was about to introduce Tuk Tuk yesterday, but was not able to because of technical fault. And one more thing, what happened in group yesterday should not happen again. ठीक है? Nobody should say sorry to anybody. ठीक है? Nobody should say the doubt is easy or difficult. Nothing like that. All of us are mature. All of you are good students. I already mentioned that. Don't have such kind of discussion in group. ठीक है? You are good students. Work hard, please. Please focus on working. What is the minimum number of regions? What is the minimum number of regions? Where is my pen? Yes. What is the minimum number of regions in which more than one product was sold? In which more than one product was sold? Again, how many regions do we have? What are the regions do we have? We have west, central, north, south, east. इस बार regions की बात हो रही है ना? थोड़ा सा vocabulary आता है picture में. To understand the question of logical reasoning or data interpretation, sometimes east, west, north, south, central. So it is east. उसके बाद it is west. उसके बाद it is north. Then it is south, and then we will go with central. So we have started with 5 regions. We have 5 regions. We want to minimize this count. We have to minimize this count. On basis of what? I want a region to sell not more than one product. Yes, that's the target. I want a region to sell not more than one product. ठीक है, we'll do that. Okay. So let's start. सबसे पहले this इसको है ना, a region should not sell more than one product. तो अगर मैंने एक बार थोड़ा सा आइडिया ऐसे लगाया, देखो मैंने जो रीजन्स के जो बाइफर्केशन है ना रीजन का, उसको लिख दिया नीचे थोड़ा 26, 23, 20, 18 एंड 13. ठीक है, और प्रोडक्ट्स का भी बाइफर्केशन लिख दिया ऑर्डर में 24, 16, 14, 12, 10 के बाद क्या बेटा? 10 के बाद है 1 2 3 4 5 24, 16, 15 छूट गया ना बीच में, सॉरी 15 इज हियर एंड वी हैव 9. करेक्ट, ये 7 हो गए. ठीक है, अब आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे, व्हेन यू ऑब्जर्व, ठीक है, दिस 24 है. आई वांट कि किसी भी रीजन में ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट इज सोल्ड. दिस इज माय टारगेट टू मैक्सिमाइज दिस काउंट. सो दिस A can be placed in south. A can be placed in south. So south is the region which is having only one product. My answer is reduced to 4 now. ठीक है, और ऐसे कट कर देते हैं ये ना, अगर आपको फ्यूचर में देखना हुआ तो साउथ. ठीक है, साउथ इज गॉन एंड हियर A is gone. Here A is gone. A is placed in south. South is no more part of the answer. South के बाद if you observe, तो south के बाद south A was 24. 24 के बाद we directly have 16. We directly have 16, which is B. So B can be placed where? Central. Entire central will be taken care by B. Correct? B can be put in central. So in other words, Central is selling only one product, which is B, which was my target, to maximize the number of regions which have only one product sold in them. So Central will sell only B. ठीक है. Further, 16 के बाद what do we have? The maximum that we have is 14. Now we can put 14 anywhere over here, but still we have some space left. Here, here, or here. It could be anywhere, but still we have some space left. We have to incorporate another product so as to fulfill the need of the region. मतलब अब कोई भी ऐसा region नहीं है which can have only one product entirely. ठीक है? We cannot do anything for this, and this. We cannot do anything for this, and this. So the answer is there could be 3 regions. Central is taken care of, south is taken care of. These 3 regions. These are minimum 3 where more than one product would be sold. Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next question. I'll give you a minute again. Yesterday we were discussing this question when the thing happened. Attempt this question. What's that? Popping again and again. Okay. Let's do this. This question, I have to make this phone silent. Moving ahead, this particular question. What is asked here in this question? What is asked? If the product B comprised of, what is asked? What can be the highest percentage share of product B in sales in any region? What can be highest percentage of B in any region? What can be highest percentage of B in any region? ठीक है? But we have a condition as well. क्या है condition? Product B comprised at least 15% of the sales in each region. मतलब we cannot do this. पहले क्या था? See, how can we figure out share of B? Share of B, or let me say percentage share of B is equal to what? B upon total into 100. Total of any region. Share of B in any region. Share of B in any region is equal to B, ठीक है, upon total of that particular region into 100. Correct? तो अगर कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं होता, कुछ भी लिमिटेशन नहीं होता, तो इसको मैक्सिमाइज करने का तरीका क्या था? इसको मैक्सिमाइज करने का तरीका है इधर मैक्सिमाइज दिस और मिनिमाइज दिस. दो ही तरीका है ना. अगर आपको बी का शेयर मैक्सिमाइज करना है तो देयर आर 2 वेज. ये तो कांस्टेंट है, ये इसका तो कुछ खेल ही नहीं. या तो इसको बढ़ा दो, बी को इंक्रीज कर दो, बी का वैल्यू इंक्रीज कर दो, या टोटल रीजन का जो वैल्यू है वो डिक्रीज कर दो. दोनों में कोई एक. बट अब आपके दिमाग में अगर सर ऐसा है तो b की वैल्यू, लेट अस assume this to be 100 and 100 again, 100 and 100 again, so the b would be 16. so put entire 16 in central. नहीं, ये कब होता था? जब कोई कंडीशन नहीं होता था. तब we have this condition, we have this limit restriction. द प्रोडक्ट बी, मतलब बी हर एक रीजन में से है, एटलीस्ट कितना है, एटलीस्ट 50% ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट रीजन. एवरी रीजन इज कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ एटलीस्ट 50% ऑफ द सेल्स इन ईच रीजन. हर एक रीजन में बी प्रेजेंट है. कितना मिनिमम प्रेजेंट है? 15% ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट रीजन. करेक्ट. तो पहले आपको ये मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करना है. ये मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करो. तो मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा हर एक रीजन में, मिनिमम जो चाहिए उस रीजन को. सो दैट इज 15% ऑफ ईस्ट प्लस 15% ऑफ वेस्ट प्लस 15% ऑफ, ये परसेंट है ना, सॉरी, ऑफ नॉर्थ प्लस 15% ऑफ साउथ प्लस 15% ऑफ सेंट्रल. ये मिनिमम आपको देना ही है. करेक्ट. विच इज नथिंग बट 15% ऑफ ईस्ट प्लस वेस्ट प्लस नॉर्थ प्लस साउथ प्लस सेंट्रल. यू हैव टू डू दिस. And this total is east plus west plus north plus south plus central is how much? 100. So this is nothing but 15% of, sorry, 15% of 100, which is nothing but 15. So out of total 16B, हमें 15 distribute कर देना है. Why? To fulfill the minimum criteria of the section of each regions. ठीक है. तो 16 में जब 15 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया तो हाउ मच वी आर लेफ्ट विथ? 16 में 15 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया तो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 1B, एंड दिस 1B वी आर फ्री दिस टू असाइन एनीवेयर. करेक्ट. अगर हमने इसको अभी असाइन नहीं किया एंड आई आस्क यू कि बी सेंट्रल रीजन में कितना है, तो 15%. नॉर्थ रीजन में कितना है, तो 15%. साउथ रीजन में कितना है, तो 15%. सबका है 15%. But the question is that what can be the highest percentage share of product B in the sales in any region. ठीक है. So अब आ जाओ वापस इस पे. ये B हमारा कांस्टेंट है. कांस्टेंट कैसे है? B है 15% ऑफ दैट रीजन प्लस 1. करेक्ट. हम एक किसी एक को असाइन करेंगे, किसी एक रीजन को. तो दिस अगेन बिकम कांस्टेंट. ये पार्ट भी कांस्टेंट हो गया. दिस 100 इज ऑलरेडी कांस्टेंट. सो अगर बी को मैक्सिमाइज करना है तो टोटल रीजन को मिनिमाइज करना पड़ेगा. तो ओनली पॉसिबल ऑप्शन. तो रीजन सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? सबसे छोटा है सेंट्रल. इंडिकेट्स वी मस्ट असाइन बी टू सेंट्रल. तो सेंट्रल में ऑलरेडी बी है कितना? सेंट्रल में ऑलरेडी बी है कितना? 15% ऑफ 13, द वैल्यू ऑफ सेंट्रल. ये ऑलरेडी है विच इज 1.95. हमने इसमें 1 और असाइन कर दिया. सो दैट गिव्स मी 2.95, and that could be the maximum share. Ab you put the value, you will get the answer. So final answer should be the maximum possible percentage of B is 2.95 upon 13 cross 100. This should be the final answer, which comes out to be A. Hope this is clear. Let's move to next question. Attempt this. I'll give you a minute again. I'll give you a minute. Check that. Check it. I'll give you a minute for this. Only a minute. If products A and B, if it's raining, the year, this is not the year. Frankly, yes. This 2020 is not there. We should win. This is the wrong year. ठीक है. If products A and B And Prince, if you are listening to this, यार आपने शायरी भेजी नहीं यार, do that ना, please. If products A and B were sold only in the same two regions, what can be the highest percentage of G in any region? If product A and B were sold in only two region and same two region, मतलब जहां A है वहां B है और कोई तीसरा रीजन भी नहीं, ठीक है? तो what can be the highest percentage share of G in the sales in any region? इस बार G के सेल्स को मैक्सिमाइज करना है. The question is again easy. So what is G का शेयर? G का शेयर is value of G upon value of region, value of region into 100. Correct? Again you want to maximize this. You have two options. क्या? इसको मैक्सिमाइज करो, इसको मिनिमाइज करो. करेक्ट? एट द सेम टाइम. ग्रेट. तो इसमें कोई लिमिटेशन है? हाँ है. A and B were sold in only two regions. तो A and B टोटल कितना है? 24 and 16, 40. A plus B is 40. Let us assume there are 100 products sold. A and B are 40. So this A and B can be sold in, they can be sold in north and south. Yes. Let us say कि this entirely is comprised of A and B. This is also comprised of A and B. देखो क्वेश्चन में ऐसा एक बार भी नहीं बोला है कि A B के साथ उस रीजन में और कुछ सेल नहीं कर सकते. We can do that. Although that is not the prospect we will be discussing right now. इस क्वेश्चन के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में that is not important. But don't be under the impression कि सर जिसमें A और B दोनों को सेल किया है और कुछ नहीं सेल कर रहे हैं, ऐसा क्वेश्चन में लिखा ही नहीं है. ठीक है? So A and B are sold in north, A and B are sold in south. आप ईस्ट भी ले सकते थे, आप वेस्ट भी ले सकते थे, आप सेंट्रल भी ले सकते थे. ठीक है? But क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा आपसे बेटा? क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि what is the highest percentage share of G in the sales in any region. तो G के सेल्स को इंक्रीज करना है तो वैल्यू ऑफ द G शुड बी एज ग्रेट एज पॉसिबल. सो वी कैन कंसिडर एंटायर G. सो न्यूमरेटर कैन बी 9 and the value of region should be as less as possible. So we will try the least possible value of the any region is central 13. So we will try not to put A and B in central region. Great. So this entire central region can be available. Yes. So this 9 by 13 into 100 could be the correct answer. जो भी आएगा should be the answer, which will give you 900 upon 13. आप परसेंटेज इसको थोड़ा सा अगर किया आपने तो that is nothing but yes 69 and 69 3 by 13 है I guess. 69 3 by 13%. So which is C. I hope this is clear. Let's move to next question. For any product, for any region in which it is sold accounts for at least 25% of the total sales of that product. What is the maximum number of regions in which at least 5 products are sold? This is a good question. Attempt this. I'll give you a minute. 1 minute का सन्नाटा. Yes, I have surprise. So that's the good question. Let's attempt this. For any product पहले क्वेश्चन समझ के लो बेटा. For any product, any region in which it is sold accounts for at least 25% of the total sales of the product. What is the maximum number of regions in which at least 5 products are sold? ठीक है, तो देखो क्वेश्चन समझो. पहले क्वेश्चन समझोगे तो आंसर समझोगे. ठीक है, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है, लेट मी से ए से बेटर क्या है, डी को लेते हैं. लेट अस अज्यूम डी. सो अगर डी इज सोल्ड इन एनी ऑफ द रीजन ना, डी को कहीं भी सेल किया अगर, तो एटलीस्ट यू विल बी सेलिंग 25% ऑफ इट. एटलीस्ट मतलब अगर डी का सेल नॉर्थ में हो रहा है ना, तो 3 से कम नहीं होगा. 3 से ज्यादा हो सकता है, 3 से कम नहीं होगा. 25% से कम नहीं होगा. एप्लीकेबल सबके लिए है. सपोज ये है ए, 24% है और लेटर से 24 आइटम्स है. ए को किसी भी रीजन में डाला अगर, तो एटलीस्ट 6 डालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो इफ दैट इज द केस, what is the maximum number of regions in which at least 5 products are sold? How many regions do we have? We have 5 regions. What is this? How many regions do we have? We have 5 regions total: east, west, north, south, east, west, north, south, central. ठीक है, so what is the maximum number of regions in which at least 5 products are sold? अब देखो आपको क्या करना है ना, आपको 5, जैसे नॉर्थ में 5 प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है, साउथ में 5 प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है, ईस्ट में 5 प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है, वेस्ट में 5 प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है, सेंट्रल में 5 प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है. ठीक है, What could be the maximum number of regions? आपको ट्राई करने की 5 में कर दो. तो आप एक चीज ध्यान दो, you have 7 products and you want at least 5. In such cases ना, आप क्या करोगे, क्या आपके लिए बेटर है कि try to assign 5 products only. अगर किसी रीजन में 5 प्रोडक्ट भी सेल कर दिया तो आपका काम हो गया. 6 भी सेल कर दिया तो आपका आंसर, that particular region would be the part of the answer. किसी रीजन में आपने 5 प्रोडक्ट भी सेल किए, दैट रीजन वुड बी पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर. अगर इनमें से किसी में आपने 6 प्रोडक्ट भी सेल किए, टेकिंग दिस क्राइटेरिया इनटू माइंड, स्टिल दैट रीजन इज पार्ट ऑफ आंसर. 7 भी सेल किए, स्टिल दैट रीजन इज पार्ट ऑफ आंसर. सो 5 से भी काम हो जाएगा, 6 से भी काम हो जाएगा, 7 से भी काम हो जाएगा. तो व्हाई टू गो फॉर 6 and 7? In fact, we can save the 6th and 7th product for another region. So what should we do? ऐसे cases मैंने at least 5 लिखा है, तो go with 5. That is the optimum case. So what we will try to do? We will try to assign 5 products to 5 different kinds of product to any of the region. ठीक है? And again, किसी भी region में अगर we know this कि अगर कोई product डाल रहे हैं, अब आते हैं इस पे दूसरे एस्पेक्ट पे. अगर हम कोई product डाल रहे हैं तो उसका 25% डालना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट? And I want 5 of the products to get fit in any of the region. आपको किसी भी रीजन में 5 प्रोडक्ट फिट कराने हैं, तो व्हाट वुड बी योर टारगेट कि द प्रोडक्ट शुड बी स्मॉल. अगर बस गिनती के लिए तो मिनिमम पॉसिबल प्रोडक्ट शुड बी स्मॉल ना. तो यस, तो फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम हियर इज कि वी विल प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड सेकंड कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम हियर इज वी विल कंसीडर द प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आर स्मॉल, क्योंकि हमें बस काउंट बढ़ाना है, हमें प्रोडक्ट का टाइप बढ़ाना है, काउंट से कुछ करना नहीं है. करेक्ट? अगर मैंने सपोज ए लिया, मैंने ए को मैं सेट कर रहा हूं नॉर्थ में. ठीक है, तो ए कितना डालना पड़ेगा? 6. या फिर नॉर्थ से बेटर है आप ए को ट्राई करो सेंट्रल में. करेक्ट? तो अगर ए को सेंट्रल में डाला तो 6 डालना पड़ेगा कम से कम. तो सोचो ना, 13 में 6 तो ए ने ही ले लिया, आपको 4 और सेट करने हैं, तो वुड बी डिफिकल्ट ना. सो इट वाज बेटर कि ये काउंट छोटा होता. और ये छोटा कब होगा? जब हम प्रोडक्ट वो लेंगे जिनका सेल्स कम है. सो जी प्रेफर करना चाहिए था ए की जगह. Hence, those 5 products which we will count should be lower in magnitude. So we will ignore A and the second biggest is A and B. We will ignore A and B. सो व्हाट वी आर लेफ्ट विथ दीज 5. अब इन पांचों को ऐड कर लो. ऐड किया तो कितना आएगा बेटा? 14, 12, 26 plus 10, 36 plus 15 is 51 plus 9 is 60. What we did? We did add 14 plus 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 9, which is 60, which is all 5 components: C, D, E, F, G. Correct? Now 25% of this. अब इसको काम करो. 25%. What we can do? अभी देखो किसी अभी ना इसके हम ना 4 सेट बनाएंगे. What do we want? अगर मैंने इसका 25% निकाला, तो we can say ना कि हमने ये भी कर दिया. C by 4 plus D by 4 plus E by 4 plus F by 4 plus G by 4. Think on it. ये कर दिया. So I have 25% of C, D, E, F and G. Yes or no? I have 25% of C, D, E, F and G. C, D, E, F and G is total 60. So this is nothing but 15. सबका 25% ले लिया. So ऐसे हम 4 ग्रुप बना सकते हैं ना, मिनिमम वाले. 60 can be written as 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. So I have 4 these. We can have 4 these kind of groups. Each group, each 15 means what? 25% of these 5 of them. 25 each 15 is 25% of C, D, E, F and G. Correct. तो ये हो गया मेरे पास. ठीक है. अब देखो, and I will try to fit them. This is the minimum possible तो हम कर सकते हैं. Now we will try to fit this 15. आप 15 से छोटा नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. आपको 5 प्रोडक्ट भी चाहिए, सबका 25% भी चाहिए, तो वो 15 से छोटा नहीं होगा. A group should be of 15. Now let's try to fit 15 over here. So एक 15 हम यहाँ पुट कर सकते हैं. कहाँ? यहाँ वेस्ट में. एक 15 हम पुट कर सकते हैं ईस्ट में. एक 15 हम पुट कर सकते हैं साउथ में. और एक 15 हम पुट कर सकते हैं नॉर्थ में. यस. अब देखो हो क्या गया कि ये 15 हमने वेस्ट में पुट किया, 3 और बच गया. 3 कुछ भी डाल दो ना. एटलीस्ट 5 चाहिए था. कितना चाहिए था? एटलीस्ट 5. 3 कुछ भी डाल दो. इज गुड. यहां भी हो गया, यहां भी हो गया, यहां भी हो गया. यहां पे हम 15 से कम नहीं, 15 से कम है ये वैल्यू. वी कैन नॉट टेक दिस. यहाँ पे we cannot put 5 different products of at least 15% of their strength. We cannot do that. So central has to be ignored. What could be the maximum number of regions? It could be 4. Very good. I hope you guys get this. अब हम थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल आएंगे, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस की तरफ जाएंगे. We are preparing for CAT, not for SSCs or bank. ठीक है. Keep this in mind. We are CAT people. लेक्चर थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा, क्वेश्चन थोड़े डिफिकल्ट होंगे. अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है तो प्लीज वर्क हार्ड. प्लीज वर्क हार्ड. दैट्स एन ऑप्शन. अगर आप मेहनत भी नहीं करना चाह रहे तो डोंट कम टू मी. इधर वर्क हार्ड और गेट लॉस्ट. ठीक है. मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यू पीपल. So that's me. That's us. That would be our preparation. I'll change the gear now. So let's move to the next question. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. Read this. These questions are based on pie charts which gives the statistics of international students pursuing post-graduation in the United States for the year 2000. Yes. Now this is the distribution by nationality, distribution by graduation. You have 2 pie charts. These questions are based on pie charts which gives the statistics of international students pursuing post-graduation in the United States in the year 2000. The total number, this is the breakup. USA is a big country, all of us know this. Most of you will go over USA. Don't do that now. Please be in the country itself. Please. ठीक है. So USA में पहले तो yes, international students, those who are pursuing from different countries. So these are the countries A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are the countries. अलग-अलग countries से there are 80,000 students. There are 80,000 students who are studying. ठीक है? So in 80,000 students का breakup है. किस country से कितने percentage students है? So A has, from country A, there are 12% of students of 80,000. 12% of 80,000. Sorry. कंट्री बी से कितने स्टूडेंट्स है यूएसए में? 20% ऑफ 80,000. दैट्स द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ठीक है. एंड ये दूसरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, दिस इज आल्सो द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सेम 80,000 स्टूडेंट्स, बट बेस्ड ऑन द स्ट्रीम दैट दे आर परस्यूइंग. मींस ऑफ दिस 80,000 अगर पाई चार्ट में कन्वर्ट किया तो डिग्री इंजीनियरिंग वुड बी 135 डिग्रीज के टर्म्स में दिस हैज टू बी 360. वी नो दिस. The total is 360, which can be always converted into percentage. ठीक है. So 135 degree students are pursuing engineering. Management is 135. अगर management में number of students निकालना हुआ total कितने? Exact number. So it could be 135. It could be 135 of 360 into 80,000. ठीक है. So this is the idea of these two graphs. Now, I wish only one question to be solved in this. This one. What could be the answer to this question? I'll give you 2 minutes for this. I'll be back. Sorry, I had to do that. My water was on. Attempt this question. No, hang on. अभी तक आपका आंसर आ जाना चाहिए था. ठीक है. Let's discuss this. इतना कम टाइम सर, कम टाइम नहीं था बेटा, ज्यादा था टाइम. ध्यान से देखो. All other questions are calculation based, but this is slightly tricky. This is the data for 80,000 students. These are the countries. ठीक है. And this 80,000 what? 80,000 international students. 80,000 international students. ठीक है. But in all there are how many students? 3,60,000 international plus national. ठीक है. Total number of students is 3,60,000. So you have to figure out the percentage based on this entire 3,60,000. Percentage of what? Percentage of students composed of Asian countries. Great. So the answer should be percent Asian students is equal to total Asian students upon total students into 100. ठीक है. So we know the total students are total, not only from international. Total are 3,60,000. Correct. Asian निकालना है. So what are the Asian countries? B, C, D, E, and J. We need exact number of students over here. So B, C, B Asian, C Asian, D Asian, E Asian, and J Asian. J is where? J कहाँ गया? J is here. The percentages are 20, 24, 6, 7. So that is 44, 50, 57, 61% of 80,000 into 100. ठीक है. And this will give you how much? 13.5 I guess. Yeah, 13.5, 16.5 कुछ है. Let me see. मैंने calculate किया था. What did I get? I don't know. It was Let it be. मैंने कहा calculate किया, I don't remember. So it would be either 16.5 or 13.5. One of these two is the answer. कर सकते हैं ना वैसे, रुको एक मिनट, कर सकते हैं instantly. This 80,000 का 61% कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 48,800. Yes, you have to be great at calculation as well. This would be 48,800 upon 36,000 into 100. ये दो जीरो निकाल दो. What do you think this is? This is 13.5. Yes, roughly. Exact निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. You'll get the idea. If you're good at percentage, you'll come to know that this is roughly 13%. आपको देख के clear हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Exact निकालने की जरूरत नहीं. But Tuk, as I said, is my most intelligent student. I'll introduce Tuk in some other session. Tuk has a different idea. Yes. What he says कि sir percent Asian students निकालना है. So we need to have total Asian students upon total number of students for sure. And total Asian students के लिए we need to know what countries are Asian. So Asian countries are B, C, D and J. ठीक है, ये तो पता है कि B Asian है, C Asian है, D Asian है, E Asian है, J Asian है. But sir, what about other countries? जैसे टुक ने बोला सर I is not Asian. तो मैंने बोला नहीं. So बोला सर I, लेकिन how this is clear that I is not Asian? And then I started thinking, yes, how can we say, because logical reasoning and data interpretation में we have the importance of keywords. When Tuk asks me, sir, why I is not Asian, I'm speechless. So here it is not given that B, C, D, E and J are the only Asian countries. Are you getting my point? It is nowhere mentioned कि B, C, D and J are the only Asian countries. Yes, these are Asian countries for sure. अगर 10 लोग खड़े हैं और मैंने आपको बताया कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 लड़की है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं ना कि ओनली 5 ही लड़कियां हैं. The sixth guy can be girl. मैंने sixth के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोला. So we don't know if there are any other Asian countries. अगर only word होता तो answer was 13.5. But since we don't know how many of the countries are Asian, we cannot answer this question. We don't know the total number of Asian students. I hope you guys understand this. So correct answer is in fact cannot be determined. They'll play with words, and you'll also start playing with words when you practice. Okay? I hope you guys got this. If you like this, please hit like right now. Okay? Anybody who is watching, either online or offline, go and like this video. Okay? This will really motivate me. Let's move ahead. So you have some more questions. All these questions are part of your homework. When I say homework, what do I mean? PDF hai, download that, solve that. If you have any doubt, you know where to find me on the channel, Telegram channel. Okay? So you can ask me personally. So I have this question. Other questions are quite easy, not easy, tricky. And I have one more question, 11, 12, 13. So this again is your homework. You need to practice them on your own. And the surprise what I was talking about is that I have started a challenge series. ठीक है, मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था that I'll be posting a couple of questions on almost a daily or alternate basis. So I'm about to start that. So today I'm having a very small, very simple problem from logical reasoning, which is quite viral these days. You might have came across this question on your WhatsApp group or anywhere. So this is the question. Challenge question. Now this obviously we cannot discuss on in any of the sessions on YouTube. Yes, I can plan a different session for challenge questions. Okay? So don't expect that I'll solve this question tomorrow. Where to find the solution? You can find the solution with your friends, or you can even discuss with me. Where to find me? You can find me you can find me over here. Okay? You can find me over here on this link, tinyurl.com/Unacademy chat. Type this on your Google Chrome browser. Type करना है, great. Type करोगे तो एक पेज खुलेगा. Look out for Unacademy chat over there, and you can obviously subscribe that. So there we can have the discussion. You can search for Ashish sir in the members, and you can directly contact me. Okay, I do reply prominently. Well, यहाँ से now the session will not be for those who are not willing to crack the examination. We'll increase our intensity a bit. Okay? So if you want to be in the class, come prepared. Okay? That will really help you. Okay? So having said that, let's move ahead. Yes, let me discuss a little about Unacademy subscription, which is very beneficial for you guys. Why this is beneficial? Because although I'll cover every single point of syllabus, every single content of syllabus, every single topic of entire LR and DI for free on YouTube, LR and DI for completely free, I'll complete that. Okay, but there are some limitations. I mean, if you guys want to discuss with me continuously on real time, I have to dedicate some most of my time to Unacademy Plus platform. We have students there as well. So we come across this limitation. Although I'll cover entire syllabus, but our discussion is not that frequent. Okay, so you will get live classes again from it's there. I'm also on Plus platform. Many of us are. There are more than 30 educators for LRDA itself. For LRDA only. Most of them are great. Okay? So you have this option. You can be under batch of any of the educators you like. अगर मुझसे नहीं पढ़ना है तो मत पढ़ो, दूसरे सर है. उनसे नहीं पढ़ना है मत पढ़ो, तीसरे सर है. ठीक है? तो किसी न किसी से ट्रेनिंग बन जाती है आपकी. ठीक है? You can interact with the educator on real time basis. A great benefit. ठीक है? What do we need? We need this live poll and leaderboard. ये इतना आपको significant नहीं लगता है, but this is very significant. आप जब classes attend करते हो ना plus के, so there are thousands of like-minded students. Thousands, when I say, I mean thousands. So 1000 students का real time poll होता है, real time who is leading among the 1000 students वो mentioned रहता है, and this gives you a feeling where do you stand. ठीक है? So this might motivate you. This might initially demotivate you. I'm so low in the order, I'm so low in the ranking, but ultimately it converts into motivation, and then you start working hard. So it's a necessity when you prepare the examination. Obviously, test series are a must for any of the examinations. We have test series trained from great educators, and proper analysis, video analysis is done, and definitely live doubt clearing. Without doubt clearing, you cannot imagine any of the examination. Yes. So what you have to do, you have to install the Unacademy app from the Play Store. And you need to install it. All of us know how to install this. Please install that. Look for Plus section, and then look for CAT and get subscription. Get subscription. The earlier you come, the better it is for you. You can analyze why. Because CAT exam is some 6 months short. So 6 months is ideally neither too less nor too more. So it's the ideal time to join the Unacademy subscription. You have multiple educators to prepare with. It is not only me who is there. There are multiple educators. But I would suggest कि please go with these two. ये थोड़ा expensive हो जाएंगे आपके लिए monthly या quarterly basis पे. So you should go with these two. Working professionals should go with this pack, and students should go with this pack. To feel what Plus is like, of what it is kind of, you can obviously have attend free sessions on Plus platform. Unacademy app download करके you can attend the free classes. So you'll get a feeling. You will automatically come to know that it is very beneficial. You are improving yourselves. ठीक है? So you can have those free sessions as well initially. Don't worry about this. ठीक है? Now this is my code ask10. Now ये ask10 लगाने से क्या होगा? So ask10 लगाने से ना, there will be only one thing. I'll come to know that you have applied my code, indicates you are weak in LRDI, and you want proper strategy and planning from my side personally. So applying code ask10 will directly throw you under me, and then it is my responsibility to take care of your preparation for LRDI. Okay, so then we can connect personally to discuss the strategy, syllabus, time frame, everything. Okay, and this will also give you an additional discount of 10%. So 10%, you have many discounts, many codes which will give you 10% discount. But the major benefit is I along with my team will make your syllabus or strategy personally on one-to-one basis. Okay. So this is the final price after discount for 1 year package. This is the final price for 2 year after 10% discount. Having said that, just quickly subscribe to our channel because we provide high quality content free of cost. If you have any of your friends preparing for the CAT and is not able to join coaching, which has at least 4 times the fee that we are offering, Ask him to subscribe our channel. And if you have some of your friends preparing for NEET and G, we have excellent team for NEET and G. Ask them to join our YouTube channel for free of cost to get high quality content. If you have children in your house, suggest to them that in this COVID-19 situation they should not go out of the house, but the study should not be hampered. So we are running courses for 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th by the excellent top educators of the country. Ask them to join these courses and get benefited as soon as possible. And do not forget to subscribe. You can connect me personally on Telegram if you have any of the concern, and hit this bell icon to get notifications continuously. And let's be trending under the caption #CatLifeDaily. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. You can download the PDFs in the description. This is your own Ashish Kumar signing off until we meet further.